Did you know that a simple Washington quarter-dollar coin hiding in your pocket change could be worth thousands of dollars? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most valuable Washington quarter-dollar coins that could make you rich. Stick around because some of these coins have jaw-dropping values and fascinating backstories. Whether you're a seasoned coin collector or just someone curious about hidden treasures in everyday life, you're in for a treat. And don't miss number 1. It's a record-breaking coin that turned heads at an auction. Imagine the excitement of discovering a rare and valuable coin in your everyday change. These Washington quarters have captivated collectors for decades, and with good reason. Their unique histories, low mintages, and exceptional condition have made them true numismatic gems. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's uncover these hidden treasures in American coinage. Ready to find out if you've got a fortune in your coin jar? Let's jump right into it. Number 5. The 1983p Washington Quarter Dollar. The 1983p Washington Quarter might look ordinary, but it's a coin collector's dream. Struck in Philadelphia, the 1983p is valuable because most quarters from this year were heavily circulated, leaving few in mint or near-mint condition. Coins in pristine condition are so rare that collectors are willing to pay top dollar for them. What's fascinating is that this coin doesn't contain silver, unlike earlier Washington quarters. Instead, its value lies in its scarcity and its role in U.S. numismatic history. In the early 1980s, the U.S. Mint was struggling to keep up with the demand for circulating coinage, leading to a decline in quality control and attention to detail. The result was a large number of 1983p quarters that quickly found their way into circulation, with many becoming worn and damaged over time. This has made high-grade examples of the 1983p extremely sought after by collectors. In fine condition, the 1983p can fetch anywhere between $35 and $150. However, if you find one in uncirculated condition with a sharp strike and clean surfaces, you're looking at values exceeding $1,000, with some fetching as much as $2,000 in auctions. The key to spotting this coin is to look for the P mint mark on the obverse side. Collectors cherish this coin because it represents a unique period in U.S. minting history, where circulation demands overshadowed quality control. The scarcity of high-quality examples makes the 1983p a must-have for any serious collection. Number 4. The 1976 Bicentennial Washington Quarter. The 1976 Bicentennial Quarter is a standout in the Washington Quarter series, thanks to its unique design. Issued to celebrate the United States' 200th birthday, this quarter features a special reverse design of a colonial drummer and a torch encircled by 13 stars. But not all bicentennial quarters are created equal. The most valuable versions are the 40% silver bicentennial quarters, which were part of special collector sets. These coins were never released for general circulation, making them rarer than their copper-nickel counterparts. The silver bicentennial quarters were produced to commemorate the nation's 200th anniversary in a more substantial and precious metal. Collectors have long coveted these silver coins for their historical significance and scarcity. In fine condition, a silver bicentennial quarter is worth around $20–50. However, coins graded as MS67 or higher can fetch up to $3,000 or more. The copper-nickel bicentennial quarters, while not as valuable as their silver counterparts, are still desirable for their distinctive design and historical importance. These coins were widely released into circulation, but high-grade examples can still command impressive prices from collectors. If you've got one of these silver bicentennial quarters in your collection, hold on to it. It's not just a piece of history, but also a potential windfall. The 1976 Bicentennial Quarter is a true numismatic treasure that reminds us of a pivotal moment in American history. Number 3. The 1932D Washington Quarter. The 1932D Washington Quarter is a legendary coin in U.S. numismatics. It was the first year the Washington Quarter was minted, and the Denver Mint produced only 436,800 of them, making it one of the lowest mintage quarters ever. This coin's rarity and historical significance make it a highly sought-after piece for collectors. The 1932 was a pivotal year for the Washington Quarter, as it marked the debut of this new coin design that would go on to become one of the most recognizable and widely circulated in American history. The low mintage of the 1932D, a result of the ongoing Great Depression and reduced demand for coinage, has made this coin an enduring treasure for numismatists. In good condition, this coin can command prices of $150 to $500. However, high-grade examples in ETA 65 or higher can reach values of $7,000 to $12,000. Imagine holding a coin from nearly a century ago that still carries such immense value. To identify the 1932D, look for the small D mint mark on the reverse side, just below the eagle. This distinctive mark sets it apart from the other 1932 Washington quarters struck at the Philadelphia and San Francisco mints. If you've got one, you might be sitting on a collector's treasure. The 1932D Washington Quarter is a true numismatic icon, a testament to the enduring allure of rare and historic American coinage. Number 2. The 1950D Washington Quarter. The 1950D Washington Quarter is another gem that has fascinated collectors for decades. What sets this coin apart is its superb quality and low mintage of only 21,000 pieces for the proof-like version. Coins struck at the Denver Mint during this year exhibit exceptional detail and sharpness, making them stand out in collections. The 1950 Washington Quarter was the first year of the series to feature the revised portrait of George Washington designed by John Flanagan. This updated design, with its more lifelike and detailed rendition of the first president, was a significant improvement over the previous version. The Denver Mint's production of proof-like 1950D quarters, with their mirror-like fields and exceptionally sharp details, has made these coins highly coveted by collectors. In circulated condition, this coin can fetch around $50 to $100, but those in MS67 or higher can exceed $10,000. Its rarity and pristine quality make it a centerpiece for any Washington Quarter collection. For anyone interested in American coinage, the 1950D is a shining example of post-war craftsmanship, and its value continues to rise as more collectors seek this rare beauty. The 1950D Washington Quarter stands as a testament to the skill and artistry of the U.S. Mint, and its enduring popularity among collectors is a testament to its timeless appeal. Number 1. The 1932S Washington Quarter. At the top of our list is the 1932S Washington Quarter, the crown jewel of the series. Struck at the San Francisco Mint, only 408,000 of these coins were produced, making it the rarest regular-issue Washington Quarter. Its scarcity and historical significance make it the most valuable coin in this series. The 1932S Quarter was minted during the depths of the Great Depression, a time of immense economic hardship and reduced demand for coinage. The low mintage of these quarters, a result of the challenging economic conditions, has made the 1932S an incredibly rare and sought-after treasure for numismatists. In fine condition, this coin is valued at $200 to $600, while higher grades can soar to $25,000 or more. The record sale for a 1932S Washington Quarter in pristine condition, an eye-popping $40,000. What makes this coin even more fascinating is its connection to the Great Depression era, a time when every penny and quarter counted. The 1932S Washington Quarter is a tangible link to a pivotal moment in American history, and its value reflects the enduring fascination with rare and historically significant coinage. If you've got this coin, congratulations! You're holding a piece of American history and a potential fortune. The 1932S Washington Quarter is a true numismatic gem, a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of the U.S. Mint, and an enduring symbol of the resilience and determination of the American people during one of the nation's darkest economic periods. And there you have it, the top 5 most valuable Washington Quarter dollar coins that could make you rich. Each of these coins tells a unique story, from the 1932S, a product of the Great Depression, to the modern-day 1983P, a testament to rarity in circulation. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, always keep an eye out for these treasures. They could be hiding in plain sight, Have you checked your coin jar lately? Let us know in the comments if you found any of these valuable quarters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating dives into hidden treasures and collectibles. Who knows? Your next discovery could be life-changing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coin hunting!
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.